Helo, pnawn da, gobeithio bod chi gyd yn iawn. Croeso I sesiwn pnawn dydd Iau. Welcome to this afternoon session. It's a Thursday afternoon. We're all having a good week. We've had a good day today, whether you've been in school or if you're older and you don't go to school anymore, that you've also had a good day. 5 gweithgaredd ni'n mynd I wneud pnawn yma. Ni'n mynd I wneud 1 gweithgaredd newydd sbon. A ni'n mynd I wneud 4 arall byddwn ni wedi wneud o'r blaen. Ond yn gyntaf, ni'n mynd I twymo lan. So gobeithio bod digon o dde gyda chi. So to start off, we're going to do a little bit of a warm-up. So we'll start just yn marcho. So ni'n mynd I gael breichiau a coesau ni'n symud gyda'i gilydd. A wedyn ni'n mynd I fynd mewn I bach o'r jog. Da iawn, so ni'n eisiau mynd i'n siŵr bod ar ni'n dod off y llawr. Bod breichiau ni dal yn mynd nôl ymlaen. Okay, this will get the blood pumping around the body and get us ready to do some physical activity. Okay, ni'n mynd cadw coesau I symud a ni'n mynd I wneud cylchoedd gyda breichiau. So we'll do some arm circles. We're still going to be jogging. So we'll do some forwards. Da iawn, give it a bit of a shake. Da iawn chi. We're going to do a couple of side steps, so we go a few steps to the side. And then change direction. So pushing from the outer leg. Da iawn. Okay. Bach o siglar. Ni'n mynd I wneud stretch, okay? I've been informally told that this is the #1 stretch in the world because it does good for a lot of the body. It works a lot of the different muscles, okay? So ar y stretch, ni'n mynd I fynd lawr ar 1 pen glin. Ni'n mynd I roi llaw arall lawr ar y llaw. A gyda llaw ni sy'n rhydd, so ar un ochr a'r pen glin sy'n lan, ni'n mynd I stretcho mewn i'r twll y ddar braich arall. A wedyn troi a mynd reit mas y ffordd arall. Okay, so lawr, a wedyn nôl lan a rownd. So we do 6 of these on each side. So that's 3, 4, 5, 6. Da iawn. So yr un peth yr ochr arall. So un cwrs. Llaw lawr ar y llawr, a wedyn ni'n mestyn a troi. Gen I 6 arall. A un to. Da iawn, so mae'n stretcho gwylod y corff, y coesau, a hefyd rhan top y corff. Okay, so heddi, y 5 gweithgaredd ni'n mynd I wneud, yr un cyntaf yw dead bug. Okay, so mae hwn yn un newydd sbon. Wedyn ni'n mynd I wneud mountain climbers ond rhai araf. Wedyn squats, skipio'r uchel, a wedyn ni'n mynd I gorffen gyda naid cwmpaw. Okay, so the 5 for today, we're going to do dead bug, and I'm going to go through that with you now because it's a brand new one. Then we're going to do some slow mountain climbers. Activity 3 are squats. Then number 4 is going to be some skipping, but high skips. And number 5, the last one is going to be compass jumps. So where we go forwards, back, side, back, to the middle, and the other side and back. Okay? So gyda ni'n cyntaf, I'm going to go through the first one, dead bug. So ni'n mynd I fynd lawr yn llawr ar ein cefn ni. So we're going to lie on our backs, knees up in the air. We're going to put our 2 hands by our knees, and basically we're going to be moving the opposites. Okay, so right leg and left hand are going to stretch, come back, and the same with the opposite. Okay, so we're going to keep moving this way. Okay, so mae hwn yn debyg I Supermans ni wedi wneud o'r blaen, ond yn lle bod ar y pengliniau ni'n mynd i fod ar y cefn. Okay, so that's the first activity. The other ones you've probably done before, allwn ni'n neud nhw wrth bod ni'n mynd. Okay? So, gobeithio bod ni yn barod, i roi'r amser i fi fynd, a barod am yr un cyntaf. So, ni lawr ar y llawr, pengliniau lan, a bant i ni. So, nice arm, nice and controlled on this one. So, trio stretch yn ôl o beth ni'n gallu. Da iawn. Bit of coordination in there as well. Making sure to opposites yn gweithio. Da iawn chi. Good start. So, da ni 20 eiliad o rest. Cymrwch digon o ddŵr. A wedyn nôl, farn i fynd unwaith to. Mat ni. Ar y ffordd trwyddo. Fantastic. Good start. Gobeithio bod chi wedi mwynhau hwnna. Okay, yr un nesa, mountain climbers. Okay, ni'n mynd i wneud rhai arall. So, ni'n mynd i fynd lawr o'r llawr. Ni'n mynd i fynd al dwylo ni am trad ni. Mae un trod yn mynd i ddod lan ar y tro. Okay, so ni'n mynd i wneud yn eitha araf. Okay, so pawb yn barod. So, lawr o'r llawr. Codi dan y trad. A wedyn un gos mlaen. Wedyn y gos arall. Da iawn. Nice and controlled. Da iawn chi. Bach o ddŵr. Nôl lawr bad i fynd unwaith to. A dyn ni. Let's trio cadw'r cefn mor syth yn ei gallu. Da iawn chi. Right, gweithgaredd nesaf. Ni'n mynd i wneud squats. So, ar y squats, ni'n mynd i cadw cefn yn syth. Ni'n mynd i plygu coesau, a to ni'n mynd i fod yn gweithio rhan gwylo'r y corff. Okay? Pan mae'r 5 eiliad. A bant ni. So, fel bod ni'n mynd i eistedd lawr. Cadw trad yn fflat ar y llawr. Okay, un beth o'r ochr. Da iawn. Da iawn chi. Fi wastad yn cael dŵr yn y brec rhwng y ddoi, achos bod fi'n egluro'r amser arall. Okay, bad i fynd to. fynd. Deg eiliad bach to. Good stuff, da iawn. Gweith gael y pedwar, so skipio. Ni wedi gwneud skipio. Sawl gwaith o blaen. So mae fe fel matcho. A wedyn byddwn ni'n dod mewn a bounce. A ni'n mynd i trio gwneud skips uchel heddi, so we're going to do high skips. So we're going to try and push up from our legs and get as high as we can. Okay, so pawb yn barod, so we start off with a march, so opposite hand, or opposite arm, opposite leg. Once we've got that, we'll go into a bit of a skip, and then we'll try and go high, so it's high skips. Da iawn chi. 20 seconds rest. Okay, I'll do it from the side. So on your barod, start off with a march. Nothing you marcho. Dechrau bounce-o. A wedyn, lan o ni. Ten seconds. Fantastic, good stuff. Un gweithgaredd ar ôl. Okay, so compass jump. So we're going to start in the middle. Dechrau yn y canol, o 4 pwynt ar compass. Mlaen, nôl, ar 2 ochr. So we'll go in each direction in turn, but after we go forwards, we come back to the middle. Then to the side, back to the middle, back, and so forth. So mlaen, nôl. So we're going to be jumping in all different directions. Diane, keep going. A few more seconds. Diane. So last 30 seconds. 30 eiliad olaf I ddod. A wedyn byddwn ni wedi gorffen. Tro hyn, siwch mynd y ffordd arall. So fi'n mynd I mynd mlaen i'r ochr hyn tro hyn. It's just to have different combinations. Fantastic, da iawn chi. Yn diwedd y 5 munud caled hefyd to. Rydyn just oeri, so fi just eisiau chi cerdded rownd. Unrhyw gyfeiriad chi eisiau. Os mae botel dŵr gyda chi, mae fe'n amser da I cael bach o dŵr, so os ni wedi bod yn chwysu, we've been sweating and losing water. It's really important that that water comes back into the body. Okay, so mae'n bwysig bod ni'n yfed trwy'r dydd. Yn enwedig wrth bod y tywydd yn mynd dwymach. Okay, so as the weather's getting warmer, we need to drink more during the day. Okay, so a couple of stretches I benni. So we'll do our quads. Okay, ni'n mynd I stretch o'r coesau achos ni wedi bod yn gweithio'n galed o'r coesau. Okay, we've been doing the squats, the skipping, the jumping. Okay, they're all working our leg muscles. Okay, so it's important after the session that we stretch those muscles. They're more flexible when they're warm, and they should now be definitely warm. Okay, now we need a hip flexor. So land on the llawr. Okay, un braich lan, and just tilt the hips forward, and we should feel the stretch down there, the hip flexor. Mine's particularly tight. Okay, os chi wedi bod yn eistedd yn ysgol, okay, mae hwn yn dda I stretcho hip flexors mas, achos os bod ni'n ystedd, mae'r hip flexor yn mynd yn dynach. And change. So lan ffindio balance, brech yn yr awyr, a just tilto, a push yr hip mlaen, a dylech chi teimlo'r stretch fan hyn. Cadw yn adlu. Great. Da yn chi, ffantastig. So, diolch chi am watcho. Sesiwn ola'r wythnos, pan fory, hanner i 4 unwaith to. Ond croeso chi ddyn nhw'n watcho unrhyw sesiwn ar channel YouTube ni, neu ar tudalen Facebook, neu ar Microsoft Teams. Joiwch gwaith yr wythnos, a welai chi wythnos nesaf rhywbryd. Ta-ra!